Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be going over how to speed up your playback on Final Cut Pro. I had this instance this weekend where I was editing and it was about like a 40-minute video, and I was like, man, I was dreading just having to watch the whole thing until I realized that I could play back everything at 2x speed, 3x speed, however much speed I want, so I could watch it a lot faster and don't have to, spend 40 minutes every time just watching the video on playback. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. That's first, you play your clip. It's obviously times 1 speed, but if you hit L twice, it's gonna play everything 2x speed, like right here. If you want to hit it faster, hit 3 times, and there you go. Look, that's a little too fast in my opinion, but whatever works for you. To stop it, just hit the pause button, space bar, and then you're back to normal. So yeah, I ended up using that technique in order to watch the video a lot faster, 2x speed, and just look for areas where I didn't think were polished enough, and then paused it, watched it back in regular speed, fixed it, and then kept playing the video 2x speed. I just didn't want to spend that much time watching a 40-minute video over and over again. So thank you for watching. I hope that video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.